is our 4th time in Kuala Lumpur International Airport. We're going back to Bali.
Back to Bali.
Back to Bali. We're in Bali.
In Bali, in Seminyak.
And we just stumbled across
Yeah, look
some
who we bumped into.
Skinny man. Where do they come from?
Oh yeah, can't get rid of them, can we?
Right guys, Alice decided to go rogue and book us an entire house, villa, I don't even know what you want to call it, village. You could raise an absolute family in here. It's got 1 double bed in there, we've got a room in there, Alice has got a room, Chuds has got 2 double beds up there. I don't know who he's bringing back later, but I'm sure he's going to have a wicked time. What's going on? Where are we going, guys? Oh no.
Wakey, wakey.
How's us wakey?
Wakey, wakey, Chad. Are you naked?
That's fair enough.
Why boxes and all? Is that how you sleep?
I think
It's
naked.
hot.
I agree, it's nice.
It's cool up here.
It's quite cool up there.
This is for your own good.
Thanks guys, it's a bit early, it's in a couple of months, but it's really nice. Ben, what drinks have you got?
I've got a strawberry daiquiri and a mojito, classic. I've got a mango something, it's fucking lovely.
And
And a sunsea breeze, and it's bloody lovely.
I've got 2 godfathers.
so give me some facts about you, Ben Chudley, for your dating site.
I pronate. My feet go inward, mate.
Right, Ollie,
Yes.
welcome to the late night dating show.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what you would like to know? My name is Oli. No more, no less.
Ollie, what
I've been on TV, but you didn't see my face.
Hey guys, what are we up to?
Food.
What happened?
I went to go pick up our washing and I got attacked by a pack of dogs. But I fought them off. I'm a brave soldier. My nasty gash I've got.
It's nothing. I thought we were gonna have to go to hospital. I heard it all. I wasn't not there.
Yeah, Ella was on the phone to me, being like, oh, can you look at the spa, please? It's around the corner. Bit busy.
Yeah, it was Chud's idea. He was like, that spa looks really good. Get him to have a look. Go ring him. Are you excited?
I'm so excited, mate.
I can't wait.
Are you excited?
Oh, buzzing.
Ollie? Are you excited? Are you excited? I'm excited.
We're about to go wobble winging. Wobble winging. Thing you don't tell about the water park, so many stairs, for Christ's sake.
London.
Oh, London, yeah, I know London. Ready, right over. 3, 2, 1.
It's like you're in the. Oh my god! That was fucking great. This is more my street. Oh, way. I like this sort of one. Oh my god, really petrifying. This should be nice. This should be nice.
Alright, yeah, no worries. I'll get my paddles out, shall I?
Oh my god. Hi guys. Ollie, say hello. Take it, say hello.
Hey guys!
Did you have a fun day?
Had a really fun day.
Did you have a fun day?
Oh, yes.
Did you have
Yes,
a fun day?
I most certainly did.
Ollie.
Great day.
10 out of 10.
I mean, I think you could probably do it how you want, right?
Yeah, so
Sing soro lah juga.
Watch your shirt and get caught.
It was very scary, guys. I screamed in front of the entire pub, and I'm very embarrassed.
My granddad was really ill over Christmas, so I got my sledge. He's been going downhill ever since. Two men walked into a bar. The third one ducked.
Get him off!
Right, what to call a man who gets walked all over?
Matt!
What to call a Russian with 3 testicles?
Ujanika Bolakov!
What to call a man with a seagull on his head?
I've forgotten.
Cliff.
So, this is your first time doing karaoke?
I fucking love it, mate. That's fucking sick.
First time walk bar, first time karaoke.
What's next? He loves it. What's next?
Cross the shoes? I don't know.
Hi guys, what are we doing? Where are we, people? Alice is panicking. To where?
From Modo Island.
Thank you.
Modo Island.